Hello student, good morning. In previous video, we have seen the physiographic division of India. First physiographic division is Himalayas, second North Indian plains. So dear student, today we have to see third physiographic division of India, the peninsula. All of you knows we are seeing lesson number 3rd, page number 16. Dear student, today we have to see peninsula. First of all, I would like to introduce what is meant by peninsula. So, okay, all of you knows from the we can say third standard. Okay, you have learned very well. Okay, what is meant by peninsula? Peninsula means it three side means those the part of land which the land three side is covered by water. ओके एक ऐसा एक ज़मीन का हिस्सा कि जिनके तीनों भी साइड ज़मीन से कवर्ड रहते हो कि इट्स थ्री साइड ऑक्युपाइड बाय वाटर. सो यू नो आवर इंडिया इज पेनिनसुला, इट्स कॉल्ड एज पेनिनसुला. So today we have to see the physiographic division of India peninsula. The area lying to the north of North Indian plains and tapering toward the Indian Ocean is called Indian Peninsula. Means the area lying to the south of North Indian plains. So this peninsula is extend from North Indian plain to south side, where from where to where North Indian plain to Indian Ocean. So the tapering toward, trap. The meaning of tapering means it is long. Okay, it extend from. So this peninsula is extend from North Indian plain to Indian Ocean. Okay, that is why it is called as Indian Peninsula. It consists of many plateaus and hill range. So this peninsula is consist of many plateaus and hill range. Okay, so there are so many hill range and plateaus. Plateau is a flat area. Okay, the top of the plateau is flat. Okay, and hill, hill is very different. So dear student, we are seeing the peninsula. So okay, it consists of many plateaus and hill range. The Aravallis in the north are the oldest fold mountain here. The north side of Indian Peninsula, the north side of Indian Peninsula. Okay, Indian Peninsula का जो उत्तर दिशा है. Okay, there is a Aravalli mountain. Which mountain is there? Aravalli mountain. And do you know that it is a oldest fold mountain. It is the oldest fold mountain. Just like we have seen, the Himalaya is also fold mountain. Okay, and it is located in north side. It concludes a series of plateaus bordering the plains. It includes the series of plateaus. So Indian Peninsula include the series of plateaus, the bordering the plains. Okay, so the North Indian plains. Okay, the border of the North Indian plain is consist of different type of plateaus. Okay, from we can see that from north to south, the total border of the Indian plain, okay, is consist of different type of plateaus. Okay, we have seen the north side there is a which mountain? Aravalli mountain, and the border of North Indian plain is consist of included, okay, different type of plateaus. Now Vindhyas and Satpuras range in the central part. Vindhya mountains and Satpura mountain. Vindhyas and Satpura range in the central part of the Indian Peninsula. Okay, जो Indian Peninsula है, okay, उसका central part में which mountain is there? Vindhya and Satpura mountain. And the hilly region of Western and Eastern Ghat. Western and Eastern Ghat, Pachim Ghat, okay, and Purab Ghat. Okay, in the western side, the total, you can say, the border of the western side, it is okay, included the hilly area, and the eastern side also included hill. Okay, there are so many hills are in the east side as well as west side. So in simply we can say that the western border as well as the eastern border of Indian peninsula is consist of different type of hills. Okay, so in this way, this peninsula, first of all I told you this peninsula is covered by three sides. So which three side? You know that in the east side there is a Bay of Bengal. Okay, west side Arabian Sea, and in south side Indian Ocean. Okay, in this way the three side of this of our Indian country is covered by water. So this Indian peninsula is okay, extend from north to south, north to south. In this way, dear student, today we have seen the information about the peninsula. So dear student, it is one activity for you, or suppose it is a homework for you. Okay, you have to find out all the answer of these questions. So okay, for that you have to study figure number 3.1. Listen carefully. 3.1 पेज नंबर 14, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है 14 पेज नंबर पे ओके, और जो इंडियन का मैप है ओके, फिजिकल मैप दिया हुआ ओके, दैट मैप यू हैव टू रीड, ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व ऑल द आंसर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन विच डायरेक्शन डू द अरवली लाइज? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकंड, अरवली रेंज एक्ट एज अ वाटर डिवाइड बिटवीन विच रिवर? Name the hills located at the plateau to the east of Aravalli. Okay, all these answers okay you have to find out by studying the figure number 3.1. Okay, in this way dear student, next portion we will see next video. Thank you.